Hello everyone. So today in solid state we will be discussing about the classification of solids. So matter is mainly classified into three different types, that is solid, liquid and gas. The main measure of their differentiation is the intermolecular force of attraction. So in solid states we say that the intermolecular force of attraction are very strong. That's why they have definite shape and also they have definite volume. So and because of that solids are almost incompressible. If we apply a very large amount of force, the change in the volume will be very less. Then another comes the thermal energy. So thermal energy is the energy possessed by the particles of a matter at room temperature. So if the particles energy is very high, so they will move very faster and they will not be having a definite volume. So in solid states the thermal energy is very less, and in gases the thermal energy is very high. So solids can be classified basically in two types, that is crystalline and amorphous. So they are classified on the basis of their arrangement. Okay. So this type of questions will also ask in CBSE. Okay. So 2 marks question is basically asked on the difference between crystalline and amorphous solid. The first point is in crystalline they have definite and regular arrangement of particles, but in amorphous such arrangements is not seen. In crystalline the melting point boiling point are very sharp, but in amorphous we have a range of melting point and boiling point. There comes the most important topic, that is anisotropy. Anisotropy, okay, so crystalline they show anisotropic behavior, but in amorphous they are isotropic. So what is isotropic and what is anisotropic we will be covering in our next video. Okay, so the crystallines, because of having the regular arrangement, they are rigid and they are also strong, or they are hard, but in amorphous they are not very rigid. Okay, so there comes the, we can take the examples, that is NaCl, KCl and sugar. Okay, but in amorphous we have plastic, glass and rubber. So you can just write 6 or 7 points in your board exam also. In that you will be getting complete marks. Usually this question comes of 2 marks or 2.5 marks in CBSE. So in this we can conclude our classification of solids. So stay tuned for the next video, in that we will be covering the most important topics of the solid state.